When I saw this TikTok trend of nature cereal in a bowl, I just could not wrap my mind thinking, how can I eat off from the bowl? So I did what most of us would do, juice it up, which is far more easier to do than to chew. That sort of rhymed up pretty well. So here is my version of nature cereal. And hey, welcome to Alchemy. If you're wondering what's nature cereal, it's just berries, ice cubes, and coconut water. Apparently, this is nature's version of nature cereal compared to the human version of cereals, which is highly processed. While this is blending up, so is nature cereal actually good? For one thing, I can't chew berries. How about you? I feel it's too tart or sour at one go, but when all of them are mixed up, they're quite good. And please have it cold, cause when it's not so much appetizing to drink, and it would probably feel very challenging to gulp it down. So there we have it, our nature cereal, or the famous TikTok nature cereal. Want to see more of these? Then check coconut water smoothie for weight loss. And until next time, see you later.